Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to sign a PDF using Docusign. Whether it's a contract or a form, Docusign makes it easy to sign documents digitally in just a few clicks. Let's go through it step by step. On the Docusign dashboard, we click Start and then select Sign a Document. We can also go to Start and then Envelope to sign a document. Since we are working with a PDF, here is the PDF file we will be signing. We will sign it directly in Docusign. Now we upload the PDF file. We click Desktop, then select the PDF file we want to sign. Let's wait for this to load. Once it's ready, we click Sign and wait for it to load. Now we are on the signing page. We place the signature on the PDF and add the name and initials. When we are done, we click Finish and enter the email address we want to send it to. We enter a sample email and click Send. And that's how we sign and send a PDF using Docusign. It's a fast, secure, and simple way to handle documents from anywhere.